Welcome to my presentation. I am Vinay Bharat from section Ferrari 4th CSE Data Science. Let's see, the today's topic is explain the program to find the sum of first 10 even numbers. Let's see the introduction. This presentation will explain a simple program to find the sum of the first 10 even numbers. We'll talk through the step-by-step logic and demonstrate the output. What is the sum of the first 10 even numbers? The sum of the first 10 even number is the total of the number 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 up to 20. Calculating the sum of this number is a simple way to practice a basic arithmetic skills and gain an understanding of number patterns. Let's see the step by step. The step 1 is identify the first 10 even numbers. In this there are three parts. The first one is even numbers start at 2. The first even number is 2 and the sequential continuing with 4, 6, 8 and 10. And the second one is recognizing the pattern. Each even number is 2 more than the previous one, so the first 10 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Visualizing the list. Writing out the first 10 even numbers in a list can help solidify the pattern 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Let's see the step 2. Add the number together. To find the sum of the first 10 even number, we simplifying need to add them all together. The first 10 even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14, 16 and 18 and 20. Adding these numbers up, we got a total sum of 110. Let's see the example calculation. Let's walk through an example of calculating the sum of the first 10 even numbers. The first 10 even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. To find the sum, we simply add them all together. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16 plus 18 plus 20 is equal to 110. Explanation of the process. Step by step process. Adding the number, reaching the final result. Let's see one by one. The first one is step by step process. To find the sum of the first 10 even numbers, we start by identifying the numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Then we simply add all together using basic arithmetic. And the second one is adding numbers. The step by step process involves taking each even number and adding it to the running total. This can be done mentally or using calculator or efficiency. Reaching the final result. Once all 10 even numbers have been added, the final result sum of the first 10 even numbers, which is 110. The demonstrate of straightforward way to calculate this common mathematical sequence. Benefits of benefits of finding the sum of the first 10 even numbers. Develop mathematical skills, and the second one is gaining developer understanding, and the third one is boost confidence. The first one is develop mathematical skills. Calculating the sum of the first 10 even number helps strengthen essentially and skill like addition, pattern recognizing and problem solving. And the second one is gain deeper understanding. The exercise providing insight into the properties and relationships of even number, laying the foundation of more advanced math concepts. And the third one is boost confidence. Successfully finding the sum reinforce of sequence accordingly encourages continued explanation of mathematical challenges. Application of this technique. Final planning. The first one is final planning. Let's see about this. Calculating the sum of the first 10 even number can help individual plan their monthly budget and saving goals for more efficiency. Let's see the second one. Educational exercises. This technique can be used in math classrooms to teach students about pattern, sequence, and the properties of even numbers. And the last one is algorithm development. The process to find the sum of the first 10 even numbers can be applied to develop more complex algorithms and problem solving strategies. Limitations and conditions. Scope limitations and potential for errors. The first, let's see the scope limitations. This technique is limited to find the sum of first 10 even numbers. It does not work for finding the sum of larger sets and even number or odd number. Potential for error. If the numbers are input incorrectly or the calculation is done improperly, the final sum may be inaccurate. Carefully attention to detail in required. Let's see the conclusion. In conclusion, finding the sum of the first 10 even number is straightforward mathematical calculation and that can be easier performed. This technique has practical applications in various fields such as finance, statistics, and computer programming. By understanding this simple process, users can exchange their problem solving skills and apply it on more complex numerical problems. Thank you.